Dear friends, myself Dr.mk Saxena. Today, most welcome to all my pet parents, pet lovers, bird lovers, and hatchers, and then breeders. Today is my topic. I deliver my topic. Hummingbirds can fly backward direction. Why do so? So everybody can't know this mechanism how only this is only a bird can fly backward direction. This is most important. I delivering this because you see my videos, you like my videos, share it, like it, and subscribe it, so that today I deliver how hummingbirds fly backward directions. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward directions. Their unique wings structures allow them to fly in any directions. The unique architecture of its wings and enable it to fly forward, backward, and straight up the air. This is, we came to this point. Then hummingbird is given to the bird because of their humming sound. Sound is most important for hummingbirds because this is due to made by their throbbing wings that fell at a high frequency, and their frequency is audible in humans, so that their wings flap so that up to 80 times per second, so that which gives them the unique ability to fly in any directions. So that this is ability to this hummingbirds, so that he can fly and produce sound of his wings. The humming are aerobatic birds that are hover and even fly backwardly. Learn the science behind the magic. The anatomy of hummingbirds. Wings are special. Birds constantly zip from flower to flower, and then it is to be have a flap their wings more than 50 times per second to stay in the air. This is most beautiful structure of this. Hummingbirds can't use their wings to glide or soar. Basically, when their wings move down, the birds fly up. Having wings move in a figure 8 shapes. Humming can do this because they maneuver their long upper arm bone and twisting their wrist to invert their wings. Sometimes it is due to unexpected. We find out that the humming hunt small insect and spiders. Their diet mostly consisting of nectars and sugar water. It takes a lot of energy to hover in the air. This is most beautiful structure of this hummingbirds, its wings and its flying directions. So this is only a birds can do this thing very well. So please share it, like it, and subscribe it. Thanks.